Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate text on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this video and I'm just going to add in text right here, if I can just talk. And then I'm also just going to type in a text as well. Maybe add in a little bit of a glow. Okay. So to keyframe your text, you're just going to select it. And there is going to be a keyframe here in position and size, so you're just going to select it. So here you can zoom in to the text, then zoom out a little bit, and then zoom in again. You can move it up and down if you'd like to, up here, down here. You can also move it up again and then like rotate it a few times. Here, I'll show you. It's going to create this like really cool spinning motion to like all of it though, so just be careful if you add the spinning thing to it. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!